Well, hello there. I'm briefly going to talk about how, what, and why I've chosen to use One Home in my smart home system.
Let's get started with the fun part. Checking what's in the box. Voice control made easy. Well, we'll see about that. I must say, I'm a fan of the packaging. It's neatly packaged in this cubic box. Oh yeah, the device adds support for Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and the Google Assistant to your existing smart home. Be it either KNX-based, Loxone, or Jira. I'll be testing it in my Loxone smart home though. Now, let's check what's inside. Exciting, right? There we go. A small booklet. Just some instructions on how to set it up. And there we have the bridge itself, in all its glory. The Ethernet port, 12 to 30 volt power supply connection jack, and the KNX bus jack. Let's see what else comes with the box. Seems like some Ethernet cables and some power supply cable. Oh, it's for a power over Ethernet injector. Amazing that they thought of adding one. Now a quick demonstration.
Hey Google, schakel keukentafel aan. Hey Google, schakel pendels in de keuken aan. Hey Google, schakel verlichting in de keuken uit. Hey Google, schakel alle verlichting in de keuken aan. Hey Google, huis uit.
Oké, 7 dingen uitdoen.
Hey Google, wat is de temperatuur in de keuken?
Het is nu 21,5 graden en de keukentemperatuur staat uit.
Hey Google, wat is de temperatuur in de bureau?
De temperatuur staat uit en het is nu 23 graden.